over here. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Kape tayo. Happy Sunday. June 14 na. Oh my God, ang pilis ng araw. Ano na yata ako? 6 days? 32 weeks and 6 days. Tama ba? 5 days. 8 weeks to go. Or 6 more weeks to go. Okay. Punta pala kami kay grandma today because we didn't went last time. So, Sunday na lang para walang traffic. Ngayong umaga, dadalhin ni Ben si... Good job, baby. Dadalhin ni Ben si Riker. Ang galing niya na magbihis. Very good. You know how to dress yourself now, my love. So happy. Just gotta get you a jacket. Yeah. And maybe just wear your Ugg boots today. No? It's a bit cold. Ang galing niya na magbihis. I just gotta brush your teeth.
Mommy, those are my feet.
Oh no. Oh, I'll bring another white shirt. Cause we're gonna do a photo shoot later.
Mommy, I got a white shirt.
Yeah, cause it might get dirty, baby. That's okay. I can bring another one. Ano pala? Oh, your pants lang is back to front, baby. I saw your ano. Oh. Back to front. Oh, you just do it again. Thank you. Just redo it. Just remove it again.
Okay.
Thanks. At least marunong na siyang nag-start na siyang magbihis mag-isa talaga.
Daddy, here's a set.
Anyway, magka-photoshoot na naman kami mamaya.
Daddy, Papa.
Si ate nandito lang. Harley, you say good morning, guys.
Over there.
Harley, good morning.
Over there. Good morning, guys.
Aray ko. Anta dito. Yeah, magka-photoshoot ulit kayo mamaya kasi nag-message sa akin yung photographer na binook ko nga for my maternity shoot. And sabi niya kung gusto namin photoshoot ulit pero by the beach, like candid shots, like yung ginawa namin sa Boracay. Candid shots, pre-session, binigyan niya kami ng 30 minutes pre-session kasi gusto niyang i-post sa social media niya. Here, come here. So, sabi ko, okay, sunset daw. So, hopefully, we get a good sunset later. Buti na lang today, hindi maulan. May araw. So, yeah, mamayang alas 5 kami mag-photoshoot. So, punta kami kay Mother for lunch and then we'll go to the beach later. So, same lang yung susot namin. White t-shirt and jeans na lang.
Mommy, this down.
I know. Here. So, remember, this tag goes in the back. Okay? So, mamaya maglagay ulit tayo ng lashes. And, yeah, just do the same thing with our hair. Yeah. So, at least meron tayong extra photos. Mag-order din pala ako ng delivery ko and maglaba no. Kasi alas 9 pa lang eh. So, maglalaba din ako. And, mag-order ng grocery for pick-up later. May bayad na to niyan. Normal, nakalimutan ko kagabi. Mag-order sana ako kagabi kasi pag a day before mo ginawa, walang bayad yung delivery or pick-up. Ngayon, meron na tong bayad. Let's see. Today... wala pa pala. Joke lang pala. Ayan, naka-0 pa rin siya. So, kung i-pick up ko ng 1 to 2 p.m., 0 pa rin. I-pick up ko na lang ba o pa-deliver ko na lang? Here, guys. O, diba yung transition? Nandito na kami kay Mother. Dito kami magla-lunch nga. The kids are just there. Don't make too much mess, guys. So, Bob is cooking lamb shank. So, yum. And, yeah, we'll leave here early because we have to go to the beach and hopefully it's not gonna be too cold. No? Kasi 5 o'clock yung aming session. And we're watching the NBA. So, how many na? 3-1? Hi?
No. New York 3-1. If they win this last quarter,
Yes, they're the champions. I reckon they'll win.
Yes.
Yeah, sarap guys. Your kid's sausage.
Yankee sausage.
Oh,
That is absolutely delicious with it.
yum.
Wait a minute.
So what is it?
Parsnip puree.
Parsnip puree. Yum, kain tayo. Sarap.
So this started cooking already at 9 o'clock this morning.
Yeah. How lucky.
Yeah, slow cook this one dear, yeah?
Mommy.
Yeah. Well, actual slow cook is 7 to 8 hours.
Yeah.
But you try it with the parsnip puree. It's yum.
Okay? Here guys, nakalimutan ko yung camera ko but we're on the way na sa beach. 7 minutes. So hopefully we can vlog a little bit. Otherwise I'll just record on the phone. Hopefully we get a good sunset. Kasi may clouds naman eh. Kasi maaga na nag-ano ngayon kasi wala ng daylight savings kasi it's winter. So normally sunset's 5:30 no? Yan, nakaputi na silang lahat. Ako, alisin ko na lang tong top ko. And then, mamay may pampalit ako pang baba para hindi tayo hirap sa ating jeans. Oh, look at the sunset, you guys. Pero ang lamig na kasi. Good morning! Happy Monday. Gawa tayo ng kanilang lunch box. So, dalawang sandwich yung kay ate. Pero gusto niya kasi toasted eh. So, I'll get that later. Yung prutas nila, kiwi kay Riker banana. May banana si ate. And apple grapes. Kay Riker orange grapes. And then, yeah, Reese's mamaya.
Mommy, that's not
They're having wheat bix.
That's not all like ice cream grapes.
Oh no, I said orange and grapes. Sorry, I didn't say orange grapes. Ngungurik ka pa eh. And then ito yung aking almusal. So I'll have my green juice. Toast, kiwi, banana, and coffee. And then nag-boil ako ng, araw-araw ako nag-boil ng egg ko. Ko na yung kanilang, ito, green juice pa rin yung kanilang juice for their vitamin. Okay?
Oh wow, sorry, young.
Learn how to speak Tagalog.
Hey, but then, yes, please, the color.
Yeah. What's the Tagalog of water?
Too big.
What about banana?
Daddy,
Very good. How can you comment Tagalog?
I don't know how.
Isa, dalawa.
Mommy, sa dalawa tatlo, aha, lima, ani, ino, walo, sa, sancho.
Sampo. Ano Tagalog ng good morning? Maganda. Umaga po. Morning guys. We're off to the street.
They're going out with me.
Yeah, we're late. It's okay.
Two. See, Mommy's not raining.
But it is very cloudy, isn't it?
Yes, but maybe it's not going to rain tomorrow. Mommy, can you look out the weather?
Yeah, I'll look at the weather. Good girl.
Shaka. 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 Shaka.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you. Ayan, nag-drop na natin yung kiddos, you guys. Balik lang tayo ulit sa bahay. Kasi lalaban na talaga tayo ng damit ni baby. I need to do some laundry. Natapos ko na naman na yung mga laundry ko. And what else? I-inbox na rin natin yung bottle washer natin para ma-ready na natin para paghugas ng mga bote and mga kailangang hugasan. I don't know if I'm gonna buy more dummies kasi yung binili kong dummy is pang dalawa lang and it's for the night. But that's okay, I think. Let's see. Ang kailangan ko na lang bilhin is nappy bean. So, I might order that online instead. So, yun yung plano. Yung hanap ka ng hanap sa AirPods mo. Oh my God, nahugasan siya, guys. Kaloka. Ayan, you guys. I-unbox natin to ng mga Mom Cozy products na to. 12 o'clock na, pero hindi pa naman ako gutom eh. Na-order ko pala yung aking robot vacuum. So, I haven't received yet kung kailan siya darating, but that will be good once that arrive. So, I got the Dreamy X50 Ultra. Yun yung robot vacuum na pinili. Ay, ayan siya. There you go. May pa ganyan siya. Ayan. Hindi siya necklace ha. Ano lang siya. Pagan. Necklace ba to? Ay, pwede rin pala. But, anyway. I bought a breast pump. Kasi, yung nabili ko last time nung kay Riker is Medela. Nakalimutan ko lang anong Medela yun. Harmony yata. But yeah. Late na ako nag-pump. And, usually pala dapat kung I'm always the low supplier. So, I've been searching naman na kung gusto ko mag-up yung supply ko. Dadaling ko itong pump sa hospital so I can pump straight away while baby is on this side, and then I'll do on this side, and then swap. So, we'll see how we go. Again, I don't want to really push myself too hard, and kung hindi successful, Hindi naman lahat ng mommies are blessed with doing breastfeeding, So, pero ang bala ko naman kapag hindi ako makapag-breastfeed ulit or even express ng enough for baby, I'll try the goat's formula. So, yun yung balak ko, guys. So, ito. May iba-iba siyang plunge. Ayan. So, marami siya. So, yeah, we'll try all of this. Kasi gusto ko na siyang i-wash soon dahil na tayo. Magta 33 weeks na tayo. Yeah, tomorrow. For 33 weeks. So we have 7 weeks to go. Pa naman. But, anyway. So, ito yung itsura ng kanyang breast pump mismo. Ang gaan niya. Ayan. Mas marami-rami yung dito. May ipon daw dito kaysa sa usual wearable ones. So hopefully it works now for me this time. But yeah, do what's best for you and baby. Yung ibang wearable lang nga, wala siyang ganito. Like, suot mo lang siya. Ito kasi, i-connect mo pa siya dito. Hiwala ito eh. Yung iba, built-in na dito, di ba? Kapag wearable. Okay, ito naman si bottle washer yung i-open natin. May parang ano dito yung tubig. Good. Parang pang coffee machine. Ang cute. Ayan. Ay, may kasama na siya. Ano yun? Ano yung mga kasama niya? Okay. So, drainer and yung power socket, of course. So, yun lang. Kailangan mo lang siyang next to the sink kapag naka-on siya. Kasi obviously, itidrain niya yung tubig. And then, meron pa siya kasama detergent tablets. 60 tablets. Meron na siya. I think meron naman yung ano, yung Milton. Meron din naman siyang tablet. So, next time yun na lang pag-maubos na to. And, yeah. So, yun lang yung kasama niya. So, ayan. Ganyan yung itsura niya, guys. So, quick wash, meron siya in dry mode or normal wash and dry mode. And then, meron na siyang sterilize, dry, and storage only. So, pwede mo siyang i-storage din yung mga bottles dito up. I think for a few hours lang. But, yeah. That's good. Yan you guys. Nakapag-one load ako ng damit ni baby. Yeah, 2 loads lang naman yung kaniyang damit. So, mamaya na yung pangalawa. Mamaya ko na rin ito isampay dahil magsusundo na tayo ng mga kiddos. Daanan ko muna pala yung aking what you call that? Grocery. Kasi may nakalimutan ako. So, may pick upin ako sa grocery. For pick up na lang naman yan. Bilis ng oras, diba? 2:30 na. So, pick upin ko lang saglit sa Woolies, yung aking grocery, and then we'll pick up Riker first. And then ate. Wala naman silang schedule ng Monday, so yeah. Maulan lang, lamig. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kahapon nga nung nag-photoshoot kami by the beach kasi ang lamig, grabe. Malamig, so saglit lang naman. Hindi ko rin nga kasi nadala yung camera ko, diba? But yeah, we'll just show you guys the result of the photos. Probably July na yung mga photos. And yeah, and then sa car naman, hindi pa namin siya in order. We're just gonna make sure that it's gonna fit in the garage. And available naman yung gusto namin na kulay, which is black. And yeah, I think bibili namin siya. Because it's good for, it's a great space. Malaki yung space sa talaga. Yeah, kasi na-approve na si Ate Maribik, diba? And now we're gonna try and apply for Penelope to come with her. So hoping na ma-approve siya dahil meron naman ng approval yung mama niya para makapasyal siya diba? Ang convenient talaga nito direct to the boat na to. So pipilan natin. Maulan. You guys, ano ba yung update ko kanina? Basta nasa bahay na ako. Nagluluto na ako ng dinner, mag-alas 6 na, and I'm just working on Harley's questionnaire kasi i-assess na siya bukas by a psychologist. Galing yun sa Department of Education nila dito. Yeah, so kailangan nila gawin yung assessment na to dahil mag-grade 3 na nga siya next year, and to see if she's gonna go on mainstream school or she needs to transfer to another school because she needs a special class again, like where she's at now. So, ayun. So, kailangan ko lang itong tapusin while nagluluto. Chicken ang aming ulam. Chicken Kiev. And mashed potato. And ano ba? Ayan, nasampay ko na pala yung mga damit ni baby. Ayan, ang mga damit niya. Meron pa akong second load, but tomorrow na yun. Kasi I just ordered another clothing hangers. I mean, yung ganyan ba? Kasi sira na yung isa ko. And yeah, so I washed the house. So tired today. And nakaka-ano din siguro kasi yung weather. So, Ben's home na pala. So he's occupying the kids. And then I have 3 baskets of laundry to fold. Buhay nanay.
I love
Ay, dinner na.
broccoli.
Kain na daw siya ng gulay, oh. Wow. It's yummy, isn't it? It's yummy, di ba?
Mom, that's
Ano kahali, oh. Ubus na kaagad yung carrots.